We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is normally pronounced as stupidest, stupidest, with a clear stew sound here. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, this is normally said as stupidest. No, I'm just kidding. It is said as stupidest, stupidest, with a stew sound here. Stupidest in American English versus stupidest in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.